Hi, this is Andrew Coville from Henry Wiltshire International. We're here today at the stunning 5-bedroom beach villa in Hiddle Saadiyat Island. Take a look inside through the large entrance hall. You can see all the way through the white marble floors and beyond to the sea. First room on the right is the guest bedroom. There's hardwood flooring. The fixtures and finishes are very, very good in these houses, with stainless steel switch plates, controlled light settings, electronic settings. The bathroom is very contemporary, mosaic tiles, high quality fittings, granite tops, and veneer wardrobe and entry doors throughout. Over to the other side of the entrance hall is the large majlis. Beautiful room, doors both ends, ensuring nice cross breezes. And the clever design of this house is that part of it, you'll see the benefit here and upstairs, extends out to the side, so you actually benefit from sea views. From here there's 2 washrooms designed for visitors and for family, contemporary glass staircase. And from here we come around to the service entrance, laundry, storeroom and maid's room. Kitchen, beautiful open plan kitchen that could easily be closed if that was your preference. All Miele, very high-end appliances. Large oven, gas hob with wok burner. Beautiful design. Again, the marble floor, beautifully book matched all the way through. And the piece de resistance, the beautiful beachfront position, sea view. This property is just ready for handover, so the pool's not filled yet or the landscaping in. Use your imagination. This being a corner property, you benefit greatly from enhanced views down the side and around down the beach. Let's pop back inside. Again, timber panelling, nice accents, quality throughout. And here's the smart home system, so you can have controlled curtains, lights, music, etc. Going up to the upper level through the open tread staircase, again with sea views all the way, being the corner property. We have a nice light upstairs landing with pantry, again fully fitted kitchen area. Nice family room which opens onto the side balcony with great views to the sea. 1-bedroom suite here, all good sizes with ensuite bathrooms, all to the same standard. This one actually has a terrace outside, and this looks back through to the communal gardens of Hiddle Saadiyat. This is the next bedroom suite, walk-in wardrobes, ensuite bathroom. And this has doors both sides and an aspect over the gardens, and beautifully here out to sea. This, like we were saying downstairs, benefits from the position to the side of the house. Finally, walking through to the front bedrooms. We have bedroom number 2 with its ensuite, balcony with direct beach and sea view. And finally the master. This benefits from a nice walk-in dressing area, again with the walnut veneer doors. A large ensuite bathroom with natural light, separate shower and toilet areas, double basins, and the bathtub, again with that lovely feature of a light well. Finally, the bedroom itself is a really good size, and the best bit of all is that sea view. You can hear the waves, see up and down the beach.